Well, I give it a shot.
We have to clean it.
The youngest son, Mr. Bernard, they wanted to make alcohol. So they started at home in the garage. They didn't have enough money, distillation pots, cooling system. They used one in the top 5 beaches on the island. So it's a very nice beach. And then there's a Takamaka. Everything was manual 23 years ago. So for 23 years old, not too bad. Sorry. Labels, the editions, how we've changed over the years. Alright? To you now.
Yeah, and this is the story from the Takamaka.
Yeah.
Also, Sie sehen das hier eigentlich schon mal abgebildet, schon zusammengefasst. Man hat hier so ein bisschen die Fotos, die hier unten sind, an der Wand. Man hat hier eine Familie, das ist ein Mann aus den Seychellen, eine Frau. Hi.
Yeah, no, I'll go buy them. I saw them at one of the shops. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Say. In a mojito, a daiquiri, a mai tai, in a cocktail, juice, lemonade, ice, in a mixer. More to mix than a look. Enjoy. Gin, French oak barrel. As the barrel was new, we've burned medium charred inside. So it's a bit smoky, it's a bit dry. A little bit like a whiskey or cognac, but very nice classic. On the rocks, Cuba Libre, ginger beer, mai tais, in a cocktail on the rocks. Spices and Creole. So at 43, it's a blend. Take a white, soak in merlot, wood chips, red wine from France, local spice, cinnamon, cloves, allspice, nutmeg. Filtration. Take an 8-year rum from Barbados, blend 20%.
Barbados.
20%. Finished in an ex-bourbon barrel from America. So spicy, but very smooth compared to the first one. Masala wine barrel from Italy. a 3 years ex-bourbon barrel from America. So all of these was aged here, and the 8-year rum from Barbados also in the blend. Very strong in alcohol at first, but raisins, prunes, chocolate, charred cacao, a lot of flavor comes after. The distillery blend, a limited batch. These ones, but whiskey cocktail on the rocks, very nice. 40%, eh? Sorry. That's for you.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Oh, sorry. Enjoy.
എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട് പൈസ കൊടുത്തടിക്കാം
അതുകൊണ്ട്